but still I think it gets drowned in the chatter. So please listen to it because it's a very important part of the event to thank the people who have put it together. First of all, I would like to thank Algonquin for sharing this land with us. Today's event is possible due to NHSP grant received by ICC and Deshantri. It's a highly subsidized event. I'd like to thank the board of ICC and Deshantri for their vision to assist seniors and collaborate. The seniors committee of both have collaborated in all events we have produced. Now, I would like to invite our guest speaker, an artist on the stage, to receive a token of our appreciation. Dr. Sundar Arora, please accept this token of our appreciation for taking time to give us a talk on love, compassion, and caring, which we all must reflect on and need. Mr. Mushfiq Hashami, Shukriya for coming and bringing your team and enriching our soul with your music. Now, I don't think I'll pass this test of the name. Anandita, we are so happy to have a promising singer among us. And thank you for reminding us our past. Maya Parekh. She is our ICC member, always gives us good advice, and her poetry really touches the heart. Mr. Bhushan Sheikh. Universities usually have a resident artist, and ICC Seniors Program has a resident singer. Mr. Sheikh is always enriching us with his songs and never says no when I say, we need you to sing at this event. And he's always there. I would like Mr. Chaudhary to come to the party to sing. He has been so helpful to us every time we can, and he's been gracious enough to delay the dinner today so that we can enjoy the music. My thanks to the East India Company for providing us a raffle basket full of sauces. I have experimented with those sauces myself, and they're really great sauces. So any of you who haven't bought the raffle ticket, do buy the tickets, because those are the funds we need to put on shows like this. For every event, I think I'm going to ask Mr. Tarwar to sit down now. For every event, a lot of people work. And our special thanks to Anil Sukhijari and his team, Archana, Simran, Kirti, Balaji, and Parveeta, who's not here. Now, I would like you to give special applause to Archana, Simran, and Kirti. They need a big hand. They're trying to balance the work, life, and in spite of that, they give a time to the seniors' activities. Anil Sukhijari keeps us all oriented to the task. He makes sure that we know all the nitty-gritty, who's supposed to do what, and who's supposed to come here at 4 o'clock, and who should be doing things. and then reminds us, have you done it? And even he's so good to rope Kamal Seth and Mrs. Supija into being the ticket volunteers.
Good job.
And our special thanks to Anil Anuvalji for keeping our website, putting down that sheet where you all register, and telling us how many have registered. Now I have to close this sheet because it's going over. And make sure that you don't promise anybody tickets without being registered, because we'll be in trouble. Not only that, he also makes sure that we stay within our budgets. And that's when we realize we're not within our budget, we have to have raffle. And our special thanks to Ramesh Abrolji. You got all the orders today, and you got the tea today, and he is supervised all the foods you're getting hot. And also make sure that our IT things work, because without that, we wouldn't be having this event. Please give a big hand. And I would like, I think you all met Sudhaji and Kamal Seth, but I would like them to stand up and give them a big hand. And most of all, I'd like you to give yourself a big hand for being here. Without you, no matter what we do, would not be possible. Now, we have an event on March the 5th. I would like you to come, and we will try to make sure that you enjoy it quite a bit. It's not only that, I think you need to listen to these young people who have written essays of what kind of world they want to live in. And when I read their essays, I said, am I doing the right things so that when I'm gone, they have this kind of world? So I think we all need to listen to this. So do come, and thank you.